Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, I wanted to do a video on this Lehigh Valley 112 switcher. This is one of those little Marx 6-volt switchers. Ran originally on a 6-volt lantern battery with its own little controller. Anyway, I did a video a couple days ago about actually mounting a full-size motor in one of these diesel switcher shells. It's really simple. It allows you to take one of these really inexpensive Lehigh Valley switcher bodies and put a full-size motor in it. In this case, I put a Marx single reduction motor. It has a working headlight, it has a working E-unit, and I installed Lionel couplers on it just to give me a different locomotive. So anyway, this is a Marx 112 Lehigh Valley, originally a 6-volt switcher. Stuck that full-size motor in it. And I've got this on a Lionel consist with 16 full-size Lionel cars. Now, I just wanted to do a quick video to show you what is possible just by swapping out the motor in these little switcher bodies. As you see, that little switcher is pulling 16 full-size Lionel cars with absolutely no problem at all. It has a working headlight, it has a working E-unit, and all you do is take the 6-volt motor out and drop a full-size motor in this case a single reduction motor, and you can mount it with 2 foam mounting tabs. It's virtually instant. In this case, I added a front Lionel coupler, a rear Lionel coupler. As you see, this little tiny switcher is pulling 16 cars with no problem at all. That's a lot of weight for that little switcher to pull. That's a Marx single reduction motor. Has a working E-unit, so it runs forward and reverse. Has a working headlight, front and rear couplers. So it actually turned out to be a really decent, powerful little switcher, as you can see. You know, this started out as basically a 6-volt toy. Ran on a 6-volt lantern battery with its own little controller. And just swap out the motor, use 2 foam mounting tabs to mount it, and it turns this toy into a real locomotive. As you can see, that's pulling an incredible amount of weight for its size, and that's a standard Marx single reduction motor. Actually, it's a modified motor out of a steam locomotive. It works, it's cheap, it's really effective, and that little Lionel, or that little Marx switcher is pulling a full-size Lionel consist with absolutely no problem at all. So it's a great way to build yourself a really useful, functional, and powerful switcher out of what was originally a 6-volt toy. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.